Hey guys, welcome back. So I wanted to do a quick project share. I received the dies from Andy's shop, and he is also RJ Lives on Instagram. So we got this one, which is a gift card holder, and this one's really cute. This is how it looks like. Very easy to put together, and this is the gift card holder. What I did was I glued the bottom piece and it won't slide, the card won't slide down. And also you see these little, what I'm calling them, like bat wings. I cut that off, those little points, I cut them off. I didn't want them poking here, and I just added trim. So I think it just looks cute and super easy. What I did was I cut it twice. I cut it in red cardstock and then in white, and then this piece right here, I cut the bat wings out and put the white obviously in the middle, and then the whole red piece I just folded, and that's what creates his suit. And like I said, I cut these pieces, just the points, cut the points off, made it more like a round shape, added my trim. That's what the back looks like, and perfect little gift card holder. Super cute, super easy to put together. Definitely, it's going to be one of my favorites. Then, you know what? Let me show you this one first. Guys. Okay, so he has these little ice skates. Super cute. Girl, have you seen Toni's ice skates? When I saw her ice skates, I was like, I'm not going to even bother. Her ice skates are gorgeous. You have to see. I'm going to put a link on her video in the description bar. I just cut it out just so you can see what it looks like. She turned hers into a shaker. She embellished it. It is gorgeous. I was like, I suck at shakers. But anyway, it's still super cute. You could do this just as a regular simple tag or a shaker embellishment like Toni's. Then we have this Santa Claus tag, which is a nice size, and I created these four right here. So what I did was, he does come with the eyes, the eyebrows and all that stuff, the nose. I just added googly eyes. I added his mustache, which I just glued the middle, and I think he looks so cute. And what I did was I added glue and then glitter just for that piece right there. So I made four, and then at first I did it with the little lashes, but he looks like he's falling asleep. So I was like, yeah, no, it's not gonna work. So these were so fast to make, and these are really nice. Let me see. These are 4.5 by 3.25. So these are nice tags to hang them on your gifts. Really cute, really like these. Then on this side, he has the bag topper. So the Santa Claus bag topper, which comes with Santa Claus face that you could put on this end and on this end. And it creates this one. Super cute little bag topper. I didn't do the back. I figured, to be honest with you, the back you don't really need. But you can. It does come with both pieces if you do want to embellish the back. And again, I just added, terrible with little tiny little dies. I just put with a marker his eyes, a little white, and again his mustache is so cute. I want to glue this piece right here so it looks like, you know, it's poking out. I think it's so cute. So you got the bag toppers and the tag, really cute. The bag topper is almost 4.5 by 2.5. Again, really cute size. So these are my little Christmas projects from Andy's shop. And I'll be back with some more, but I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.